G'day everyone, I'm Jody from stayatHomeMum.com.au, and I was very lucky that Suzuki Queensland gave me a Jimny to use for a week and to put it through its paces. And as you can see, I didn't just drive it on the highway or just around town. I took it off road, I went up rocks, went into the forestry, and even drove through a river, which was terrifying. I've never done that before. With somebody to help, of course, and checking for depth. It was actually really great fun. A little terrifying for someone like me who's never gone off-road before, but it was amazing what this little machine could do. And we even got to tow a Toyota Land Cruiser out of a bit of spotter trouble, so that was quite amusing. Yeah, great little car, so much fun. Oh, so much fun. Absolutely had a ball with it. I kind of don't want to give it back, but thank you Suzuki Queensland for giving me this gorgeous little number, and yeah, put your name on the list for one. They're awesome.